Have you ever wondered if using SoFi for wire transfers would cost you a pretty penny? Let's dive in and find out. So, you're thinking about using SoFi for your financial needs, and wire transfers are on your mind. It's a common question. Does SoFi charge for these services? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Let's break it down. Understanding SoFi's fee structure. SoFi Money. This is SoFi's basic cash management account. It's like a traditional bank account, but with some extra perks. When it comes to wire transfers, SoFi Money generally doesn't charge you a fee for domestic transfers. However, international wire transfers might incur a fee, depending on the destination country and the amount you're sending. SoFi Invest. If you're investing with SoFi, you'll likely be using their brokerage account. Here, the fees for wire transfers can vary. While domestic transfers are usually free, international transfers may come with a fee. It's always a good idea to check the specific terms and conditions for your account. SoFi Lending. If you're borrowing money from SoFi, whether it's a personal loan or a mortgage, wire transfers might be involved. In these cases, the fees can vary depending on the type of loan and the lender's policies. Factors affecting wire transfer fees. Amount. The amount you're transferring can influence the fee. Larger amounts might attract higher fees. Destination. The country you're sending the money to can also affect the cost. Some countries may have higher fees associated with them. Currency. If you're transferring money in a foreign currency, you might incur currency conversion fees. Comparing SoFi to other banks. Traditional banks. Many traditional banks charge fees for wire transfers, both domestically and internationally. These fees can vary widely depending on the bank and the type of account you have. Online banks. Online banks often offer more competitive pricing for wire transfers compared to traditional banks. However, their fee structures can vary. Tips for saving on wire transfers. Check for promotions. SoFi and other financial institutions sometimes offer promotions or discounts on wire transfer fees. Keep an eye out for these opportunities. Consider alternatives. If wire transfers are expensive for your needs, explore alternative options like peer-to-peer payment services or international money transfer companies. Negotiate fees. If you're a high-value customer or have a significant amount of money with SoFi, you might be able to negotiate lower fees for wire transfers. Does SoFi charge for wire transfers? The answer is, it depends. While domestic transfers are often free, international transfers may incur fees. The specific fees can vary depending on factors like the amount you're sending, the destination country, and the type of SoFi account you have. Before making a decision, it's essential to carefully review SoFi's fee structure and compare it to other options. By understanding the factors that influence wire transfer fees, you can make an informed choice that suits your financial needs. Have any other questions about SoFi or wire transfers? Feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.